This is based on intercooling TS diagram. This is two stages of compression. Two stages of compression. I'll tell you how to write. Right, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is LP and this is HP. What is LP and HP meaning? What is the meaning
High
of
pressure
LP?
and low pressure.
Yes, high pressure and low pressure. Now given data if it is perfect intercooling means actually this is when I am writing, should write properly on 3 lines ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ತರ. This is 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I mean to say ಇವೆರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಈ ತರ. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. I'll write once again this diagram, then you'll understand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is somewhat okay. This is TS diagram. This is compulsory directions as to stow. This is LP and this is HP. Barkondra, then barkoli idana. Take this diagram. Lavya. Lavya. Lavya P. Are you there? KG Satish. KG Satish. I'll remove. Akashar. Akashar. Chirant. Chirant. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಕ್ಷಯ್? ಹಂಸ. ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್.
Then what is this people? Chirant. This is what they are doing. ಆಕಾಶಾರ್.
ಸರ್
ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತೆಲ್ಲಾಗಿದೆ, ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನಾ?
ಸರ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಕೇಳಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಹಂಸ. ಹಂಸ ಜೆ. ಜೀವನ್ ಎಸ್. ಜೀವನ್ ಎಸ್. ದಿಕಾಶ್ ಗೌಡ. ದಿಕಾಶ್ ಗೌಡ.
ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ. ನಿಶಾಂತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಜಾ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರ್ ಆರಾಧ್ಯ.
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್.
ಪುನೀತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಎಸ್. ಪುನೀತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಎಸ್. They are playing. Sandeep M.
Present sir.
Syed Shakib Ahmad.
Present sir.
Vinayaka Murari.
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್.
Yeah. See, out of 16, 17 members, only 8 were listening. I mean, when I am called, they are responding. If you do like this, I'll make them to switch on your videos. Your data has to be 1 more GB extra. ಇವನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕೇಯ ಅವನು ಇಲ್ಲ. So you note down. TS diagram ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಲ್ಲ?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can write down the next line. For perfect intercooling, what is this? Perfect intercooling, T2 is equal to T4 and T1 is equal to T4. Is it correct? These three are the same line. This is on same line. This is also same line. That is only T1 is equal to, so this is T3. T1 is equal to T3. T2 is equal to T4. T1 is equal to T3. T2 is equal to T4. Is it right? Now, tell me the temperatures, given values. What is T1 here? What is the value of T1? Problem Bodhi? What is the T1 value?
300 Kelvin, sir.
That is the temperature limits between 300 and 1000. That is T1 is equal to T3. That is the limits given. That is 300 Kelvin. Because that is the perfect intercooling. And what is the value of 1 minute? A gas turbine plant works between the temperature limits of 300 and 500 Kelvin. Okay. And minimum is 300, maximum is 500. Sorry, 1000. That is T5 is equal to 1000 Kelvin. 1000 Kelvin. And you tell me what is a pressure ratio? What is the pressure ratio values are given? And per pressure 1 bar and 16 bar. 1 bar and 16 bar. P1 and minimum is P1 and P6. P1 and P6 is equal to, how much that given? 1 bar. And the higher pressure value is given, that is P4. P5 is equal to 16 bar. Now Cp value is given 1 kilojoules per kg Kelvin they are given. What is the net power equation? W net power is equal to M into Wt minus Wc. This is net power. What is the mass value here? Mass is 1 kg. If they are not given, you can consider Wt. We don't know Wt and Wc. We have to find out Wc and find out Wt is equal to Wt diagram ಅಲ್ಲಿ Cp into this is turbine work.
T5 minus T6.
Now tell me what is T5 minus T6, correct. And now write process 5 to 6. Process 5 to 6, write the equation which is maximum T5 divided by T6 is equal to P5 by P6. Is that correct? Now we know T5 1000, we know T6 1, P5 is 16, this is 1, so this is T6 to the power of gamma minus 1 divided by gamma. T6 value really you tell me T6 value. Once you're getting the T6 value, substitute to find out the turbine work. ಇಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು answer ಹೇಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ? You substitute here. We know T5 and we can substitute the T6 value and find the turbine work. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಪ್ಪ?
Sir, 452.8 Kelvin.
452.8. Correct. And tell me substitute here. Cp is 1, T5 is 1000 and 452.8. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದಪ್ಪ? 547.14. That is in terms of kilojoules per kg. Now next line. Next line. You tell me now how many turbine works and how many compressor works here. ನಾನೊಂದು diagram ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. I'll represent two terms here. You tell me both are what? 1 to 2 and 3 to 4 what it is?
Compressor work, sir.
Yes, both are. This is high pressure and low pressure compressors. Understand? Both are compressor ones only. So we are taking from 1 to 2 and 3 to 4. That is as to we have to take compressor work. I'll write the compressor work now. WC is equal to CP into Eliga CP
T4
into
minus
T4 minus T3 plus correcta, because there are two stages, two stage compressor. This vertical line indicates the compressor here in the TS diagram. This is the equation. Cp is equal to T4 minus T3 plus T2 minus T1. And now find out at process 1 to 2, process 1 to 2, T1 by, sorry, T2 by T1 is equal to P2 by P1 to the power of gamma minus 1 divided by gamma. In this equation, find out T2. T2 value ಹೇಳಿ find out ಮಾಡಿ. So ಬರಲ್ಲ. We need T2, sorry, I mean to say we want what is the T2 value? We don't know. T1 is 300. P2 by P1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. P1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. P2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. What is the P1 value? What is P1 value?
1 bar.
1. 1.4 minus 1 divided by 1.4. Okay, up to this thing we know. Next line, we know that for perfect intercooling, sorry, perfect intermediate, perfect intermediate pressure,